Hi there and welcome back. In today's unit, we are going to be working on a very important skill. That is how to sound polite. Now, as you know, when you're talking to a friend, it's totally okay to be informal and ask direct questions and to be more straightforward. However, at work, you may need to sound more polite and you might need to be more careful about the words that you use. So what we're gonna do in the next activity is to role play a little bit. Okay, I'm going to say something in a kind of rude way, and your job is to make it sound more polite. Now, don't worry, I won't leave you 100% on your own. I will always give you hints on what to use to sound more polite. Let's do an example. I want a glass of water. You're gonna use may have. So the new sentence will be, may I have a glass of water? So I will make the request in a not polite way. You will have two or one word that will help you, and you need to come up with a new sentence that is rather polite. Okay, now it's your turn. I want to eat out tonight. Good. Use the hint. That is would like. Good job. Now repeat after me. I'd like to eat out tonight. Good. Okay, let's do one more. Finish this project by Friday. Use would mind. Let's see. Did you say, would you mind finishing this project by Friday? Good. Remember, mind requires ing after it. Let's repeat. Would you mind finishing this project by Friday? I totally disagree. Use these. Afraid, not agree. Good. I'm afraid I don't agree with you. Okay, last one. I need to take Monday off. Use wondering, could. Double polite. Okay, this might have been a little bit difficult. Good. I was wondering if I could take Monday off. See how different it is? I want to take Monday off. I was wondering if I could take Monday off. Words apart, guys. Words apart. Good job. You should give yourself a tap on the shoulder. You are doing an amazing job. And by the way, if this was not the easiest exercise for you, then no problem. Go back, play this video again, and do it again. Remember, practice makes perfect. And don't forget to take notes. Okay, now I think you're ready for the following activity. Let's master the art of being polite and do a little bit more of heavy lifting. In this activity, we're going to make some polite requests, except that this time I will not give you the sentence. I will give you a situation, but again, I will give you some clues, some words that you need to use in this situation, And you need to form the polite request, okay? And remember, guys, always speak out loud. Don't be shy. Speak up. You're alone. Nobody's listening, but this is great practice for you. Now, let me show you how this works. I'm very busy, but you have an urgent question. Use bother and ask. Sorry to bother you, but can I ask you a question? Of course, guys, you might have some differences, but let's make sure that you got sorry to bother and can I ask or could I ask you a question? Correct. In between, you can make some changes. Another situation. Ask me to come using could. Good. Could you come, please? Could you come for a second, please? Well done. Okay, you see how it works. Another situation. You're expecting a package and you want me to tell you when it comes. Use let me know. Good. Could you let me know when it's delivered, please? Next situation. We're in a meeting. I said we have 400 customers. You know we have 4,000 customers. Correct my mistake using afraid, correct. Good. I'm afraid that's not correct. We have 4,000 customers. See here, we use the positive one to tell someone that they are making a mistake without saying to them, "You're wrong!" Be careful, right? "Oh, I'm afraid you're mistaken." Very good job. I'm so proud of you for being so active and speaking. Keep up the good work. If you found some of these expressions difficult, then you can simply come back tomorrow and do this again, or take a break and then come back.